Running a busy automotive repair shop means managing calls, appointments, and customer updates every day. Now, your customers can book service anytime, anywhere. Appointments and vehicle details are instantly sent to your shop, helping your team stay organized and prepared. Keep customers informed throughout the services process, with real-time updates and digital assessment reports. From family trips, to work, to everyday errands, their car is part of every journey. A smoother service experience makes all the difference. Meet CARO, your car maintenance agent built with Monday.com. These agents are part of your team and help manage booking, research client vehicle information using vehicle identification number, and keep clients informed. This is how it works. The customer can request an appointment using form, email, or SMS. The booking agent looks at availability and has a conversation with the customer and finalizes the appointment. The agent sends customer a reminder 24 hours prior to the appointment. If customer wants to reschedule, they can do so anytime through the agent. When customer checks in, the research agent looks up customer vehicle info using VIN, past service records, any recalls and recommendations, and prepares a report for the technician. The communications agent then keeps the customer informed through the service process. Once service is complete, the customer gets a full report with recommendations. The agents are configured with instructions, context, and integrations with third-party applications.